Hey there, I'm Jessica from Binance. Do you want to see where all your privacy and data controls live? Well, let's jump into the Privacy Center, where you can manage your personal info and fine-tune your privacy settings in just a few taps. Binance has an entire area dedicated to you for controlling your data and privacy. It's called the Privacy Center. The Privacy Center is a privacy hub where you can download your information, update personal details, and manage verification tools like KYC resets. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, let me start off by explaining how you access this center. First, you open the Binance app. Second is to tap here in the top left corner. Third is to tap the settings icon here. Fourth and last, scroll down just a little bit until you find the Privacy Center. Tap it and easy as that, you're in. Now I'm going to walk you through the different actions that you can take here. Action 1 is download personal data. In this first option, you have your personal data. Click on Download Personal Data, and Binance will send you a complete copy of your profile information, withdrawals, deposits, and trading history. All you have to do is add the email address where you want Binance to send it and to create a password, which you will use to access the data. Next up, we have exporting transactions. Now you can export your transaction records by clicking here. Choose the appropriate time range for your needs. For example, last month, the last 6 months, whatever you would like. And you can also choose the desired wallet account and currency. Once you're done, just tap here to generate the records. Now, one important thing to note here is that the link will be generated and it can be sent to your SMS or email. You have up to 7 days to download the exported data, and after that, the link will expire. You're also only allowed to generate a maximum number of transaction reports, as you can see on the screen here. If you have any problems with this process, you can also contact our customer service support team, and they'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Now, next, let's go on to rectifying your personal data. If you need to correct your name for legal reasons, or you'd like to rectify personal data, or more specifically, do a personal information correction appeal regarding your legal name only, you can do that all by clicking here. So once you're in, you can state the reason for the correction, and then you can move to a new specific step where you can submit the correct information to Binance. As soon as you submit the change, Binance's system will restart several identity verification steps. So before submitting the correction request, really think carefully about the change. Is it really necessary? And do you have time to go through these verifications again? Next up, we have resetting KYC and updating documents. Have you had any life changes that might affect how we can identify you as a customer via your personal details? For example, moving to a new address or having a new nationality and identification number. Here's how you can do that in the Privacy Center. So once you're in the Privacy Center, you can reset your KYC process by tapping here. Over here, you can see a list of main reasons for resetting your KYC. Now, for some reason, if the reasons aren't listed, please contact customer support, who can guide you through the appropriate process. If you have selected a reason, you can confirm an update after reading the declaration here. Now, it's important to note that until your new information is verified through these steps, your account will be limited to withdrawals only. Also, certification resetting affects every element of your account verification, so you must resubmit all materials required for the new process. If you reset your KYC and create another account, your new account might not be eligible for referral rebates. And if you're okay with all of these conditions, go ahead and agree to the declaration and confirm the KYC updates here. Next step is closing your account. If somehow for any reason you need to step away from Binance, the Privacy Center gives you account management options to disable or to close your account. Here you have 2 management options. The first option is to deactivate your Binance account. This locks the entire account, but you can also unlock it at any time. It's an excellent option for those who want to keep their assets secure, but also operate the account for a certain period of time. The second option is to close the account. Now, in this case, you basically end your relationship with Binance. Please note that this is an irreversible process and you will not be able to access your account or view transaction histories after closing it. Additionally, your identity verification might be delayed if you try to create a new account. Please note that Binance also might refrain from certain data after account closures for legal and regulatory compliance purposes, as set out in our privacy policy. So only do this if you're sure, but also the important thing is to know is that you can. So let's recap. The Privacy Center offers these features: download your data, export transaction records, rectify personal data to adjust any part of your name, update documents, and resetting KYCs, and also locking and closing your account. Binance's platform was built on trust and transparency, so managing your privacy is simple and you can focus on what matters, using the platform securely. Now you know, don't be put off. Go to the Privacy Center and check your settings. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.